save space on your hard disk. This is not an obvious feature that iMovie has, but it is very simply activated, and let me show you how we do that. iMovie creates render files, and these render files help to speed up your editing. But after you've finished editing, then these render files are rather unnecessary unless you want to edit again. And so what we can do is we can delete these render files. Don't worry, you're not going to have any footage deleted or any of your projects deleted, but should you want to re-edit the project, then iMovie will create the render files that it needs for you. So what you're going to delete are not necessary other than to speed up your current project. And so how can we do this? Well, you simply come to your preferences file in iMovie, and you can see here render files, delete render files, and it will go through the process of deleting all the render files in the open library. Please like and subscribe, pressing the bell so you'll be notified of further videos.